Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to upload your music to Spotify 2025. So, want to get your music on Spotify this year? This simple guide walks you through how to upload your song the right way using trusted distributor like DistroKid, TuneCore, or Amuse. You will learn the process, the requirements, and some pro tips to go live on Spotify very fast. Perfect for beginners and independent artists. If you're an indie artist wondering how to get your music on Spotify, don't worry, I will break it down the step for you. First, it's very important that Spotify doesn't allow direct uploads from artists. Instead, you will need to use a music distributor. Some of the best beginner-friendly options in 2025 include DistroKid, TuneCore, Amuse, or CD Baby. These platforms works as a bridge between your music and Spotify. For example, I'm going to use DistroKid. Just open your browser, type distrokid.com, and then press enter. Now you're on their website. All you have to do is click sign up using Google app or Facebook, whichever you prefer. Just enter your email, create a strong password, and click sign up. After signing up, you will need to choose a plan. Some platforms have free plan with limited features, with other asks for a small annual fee for unlimited uploads. And once you're inside, it's time to upload your song or album. Here's what you will need: a high quality audio file. I prefer WAV format or WAV format. And second, your album or single artwork at least 3000 by 3000 pixels or JPG or PNG. Your song title, artist name, and release date as well. You can also add optional info like lyrics, features artist, or genre tags. When uploading, make sure to fill in all the metadata carefully. This helps with Spotify search and increase your chances for playlist placement. And during the setup, you will be asking where your music you want to go. Be sure to select Spotify along with Apple Music, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, and more. Some distributors also let you schedule your release ahead of time, which is super handy. Once submit, your music goes to Spotify for approval. This takes about 3 to 7 days, and to avoid problems, don't use copyright sample or wrong info. It could delay or block your release. When your song is live, go to artist.spotify.com, then claim your artist profile. This lets you customize your Spotify page, track your stream and listener, pitch your song to official playlist, and add canvas visuals and update your bio and more. Now that your music is alive, it's time to promote. All you have to do is share your link on social media, send it to curators, ask your fan to follow you on Spotify, stay updated on new music. And that's it. You have officially uploaded your music to Spotify in 2025. Whether it is your first track or your next big drop, getting on Spotify is a huge step in your music career. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more music tips. See you in my next video.